Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today, I will show you how to use screen pinning, a feature that locks one app on your screen. This is great for kids or guests. So open settings, scroll down and look for password and security or security and privacy depending on your phone. Tap advanced options, then select screen pinning or app pinning. Turn it on, and also enable Ask for PIN before pinning. Open the app you want to pin, go to Recent Apps, tap the app icon, and select PIN. Now the user can only use that app. They'll need your PIN or pattern to exit. Perfect for landing your phone safely. And this is how to use screen pinning for kids or guests.